Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the second gen or AirPods 2 to an iPhone 7, and of course sure we're going to stand for the 7 Plus, iPhone 8, and 8 Plus as well. So the first things is basically they should have this auto pairing mode with the pop-up animation. So let's go ahead and quickly experiment. Basically you want to always start with enabling the Bluetooth settings for your iPhone as the first step. Okay, so we'll go to settings here, and then under that we'll go to where it says Bluetooth and turn that on. Okay, so as you do that, basically it's going to start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. So while it's doing that, with the AirPods 2, basically they're supposed to have the pop-up animation. So let's go ahead and try that and see if that works. Okay, so that's the first step, and of course it's on, and let's see if that's going to show up. So this may take anything longer than 5 seconds, means that we'll have to get it into a manual pairing mode. So if the pop-up animation doesn't work the very first time, basically you have to get it into manual pairing mode so that it can show up the second time around. So what we're going to do now is on the back of the case, as it is currently open, there is a button here on the back. You can see it. We'll hold that down. It'll go to a white light, it'll turn on to a white light, and it'll start blinking into a white light, all right? So once you see that, as you notice, let's give me a second here, close that software update. So you'll notice the white blinking light here, and it'll show up as AirPods. Now, I believe if your software is out of date and you need to update it, then you'll have to enable it to get the pop-up animation. But I might be wrong, because this is my first time pairing this too as well. So you'll see AirPods here. We'll press that on and see if that works. Okay, so it's connected. So basically what I want to do now is close the lid, and then let's see if this will have the pop-up animation this time around. So we'll turn that on again, and then we'll have AirPods as not connected, and let's see what happens when you open it up. So we'll open that up, and no, there's no pop-up animation. So it'll just go from connected and not connected. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. I believe if you have the latest software update, maybe you should get the pop-up animation. If not, then I guess for older iPhones as the iPhone 7, I guess that's how it's going to be. But other than that, guys, hopefully this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.